Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. And to pair our watch with the Android phone, press and hold the side button to turn it on. So basically if your watch is turned off, turn it on first by pressing and holding the lower button right here. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which will take a while because it's a Wear OS watch, so it will take a while for it to boot up. So in the meantime, we can go to the phone we want to pair our watch with. Make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, then open the Play Store, tap on search bar and type in O Health and tap on search. And you should see this application, O Health by HeyTap, with this icon. Install it. And once you're done installing the app, you can open it. Hopefully, in the meantime, the watch is done booting up. Looks like it's still booting up and the app is downloaded. Oh, here we have it, just in time. So once you open the application, you will see, basically select your country or region. You can tap right here, scroll through the list, look for something you want to select. And once you find the region you like, select it, tap on continue. Then tap on agree. And allow or deny the permission for the notifications for this application. I'm gonna allow it. Okay, and now you should see the homepage of the app. Tap on device, add device, tap on allow, and tap on allow. We have a list of watches. First, let's go to our watch. Skip this screen by tapping on it. You can select the language. So if you see the list of languages, tap on the language you like to use, tap next, next. Okay, and once you see this page, you can go to the app now, find the X3 on the list, tap on it, and the watch should be detected by the app. Tap on the name of the watch, scroll down, tap on I agree, and let's wait. Tap on pair, tap on the checkmark to confirm. Check the boxes to agree to the terms of use, tap on continue. Here you can select or choose preferred wrist by tapping on one. I'm gonna select left. Then we have standard mode or parental control. So if you want to give this watch to like a child or maybe older person and you want to have a parental control, you can set it up. I'm just gonna use it as standard mode. And here we can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use some features like notifications about calls, apps, and stuff like that, allow it and allow the required permissions. And then you should wait until it's done preparing. And here, as you can see, we can sign into a Google account. You don't need to. You can skip this by tapping on choose another account and skip. But if you want to use features like Google Play Store, so you want to download apps and watch faces, Gmail, GPay, or Google Wallet, my bad, you will need to use or sign in into a Google account. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use it, tap on continue, verify, and it will start signing in. Basically, it will copy a Google account to your watch, and then we should have more pop-ups about like features like, I believe, AI and stuff like this. We'll see. Like I said, you will have a pop-up about the Gemini. You can tap on next. And here we can enable the hands-free mode. So basically, if you flick your wrist with your watch on your wrist, it will start listening to you, the Gemini. If you don't care, you can tap on no thanks and keep it disabled. If you want to enable it, tap on I agree. And then we have the way to, or option to set up a screen lock, basically. And what it does, it basically locks your screen when you take off your watch from your wrist. If you want to set it up, select the numeric or pattern, enter the pattern or the pen you want to use, and you will need to enter it again, I believe, to confirm, and it will be set up. I'm just gonna skip it because I don't need it. Here we can download additional applications on our watch. I'm just gonna skip it because I don't care, but you can basically open the list of apps and download something. Then tap on continue. And now you should see the device page. On it, you should see your OPPO Watch X3. The watch is still setting up. We have a hello message, and we can go through the tutorial how to use the watch. I recommend to check it first time. If it's your first time setting up the watch, I'm just gonna skip it. But if you don't know how to use the watch, I recommend to check it out. It might be useful in some cases. Okay, and at this point, your watch is ready to use. It's connected with your phone. You can tell by this smart mode right here and the green icon and the battery life of your watch. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.